this is Mrs. Lilit, and today we're learning about biotechnology through something we eat every day, bread. This is yeast. It is a microscopic living organism. Yeast feeds on sugar and helps the dough rise. To make bread, we mix flour, yeast, sugar, water, and salt. When yeast meets warm water and sugar, it becomes active. Now the dough is resting. This stage is called fermentation. Yeast breaks down sugar and produces carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide makes the dough expand. That is why the dough becomes bigger and softer. This process is a result of yeast activity.
Next, we bake the dough in the oven. The heat stops fermentation and kills the yeast. The trapped gas creates soft air pockets inside the bread.
And now we have fresh bread. The soft texture comes from carbon dioxide produced during fermentation. Today we learned that biotechnology uses living organisms to create useful products. Science is everywhere, even in your kitchen.